Thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Andrea. I'm the Teen Services Coordinator here at Mesa County Libraries. And today I'm going to be showing you one of our teen take and makes friendship bracelets. So when you come by any of our Mesa County Library locations between August 28th and September 10th, while supplies last, you can pick up one of our friendship bracelet kits. And you're going to have a set of instructions here, but I don't have those with me today. Inside your bag, you're going to find 7 strands of craft thread here. Hopefully they're going to be a little neater than mine. And you're going to have this cardboard braiding loom, which is very fancy. I cut it myself out of cardboard. And with these things, you can make an awesome friendship bracelet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to line all of your threads up, and you're going to want to tie a top knot at the end. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to feed this, this knotted thread through the center of this braiding loom here. One of the things I'm going to do while we have a moment here is I'm just going to outline some things with my marker here so you can see it easier on my braiding loom. Right, so now we have it fed through. You're going to pull your knot up to the base of your braiding loom there and face it away from you. So I'm going to be facing this part of it. And one thing that I was trying to highlight here is yours is going to look plain, but there are 8 slots cut around the edge of your braiding loom. And you're going to have 7 threads here, and we're going to put 1 thread into each slot. We're going to have 1 remaining empty slot, so we'll go ahead and do that here. Alright, so as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 threads. We have 1 empty remaining slot here, and then we're going to get started on our braiding. Alright, so I recommend putting this empty slot down here at the bottom of your braiding loom, so it's in the 6 o'clock position if you're reading a clock face. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to count 3 threads to the left and find the 3rd thread. So 3 from this empty slot. This is going to be 1, 2, 3. So my orange thread here is my 3rd one. I'm going to pull that orange thread out of its slot, and I'm going to move it down to my empty slot. So pulling it from this full slot here, moving it down to my empty slot and threading that in. I'm going to make sure it's nice and tight. You want to keep your threads taut throughout this process. Okay, so I've just done my first one. What I'm going to recommend you do again is your empty slot is up here now. Go ahead and turn it down to the bottom just so you can keep track of things. And we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to count 3 to the left from this empty slot. 1, 2, 3. In this case, it's the blue. Gonna do the same thing again. Turn it around. Empty slot is facing down. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna keep doing that. And as you go, what's gonna happen is your bracelet is gonna feed out on this other side. And let me show you what that looks like as you're going. So here's the friendship bracelet I've been working on for a little while here. And as you can see on this other side, I have my bracelet coming through, and it creates this really unique braided effect because it's so many different strands. Now, when you get to the point that your bracelet is long enough to suit you, you might even have some threads left over. But however long you want to make it, that's great for you. So all you need to do, go ahead and yank your threads off your braiding loom. Pull this free. Tie a knot at the end. And you're done. I'd probably want to make mine a little bit longer, but that's how long I was able to make it. So, and that's how you make a friendship bracelet with a braiding loom.